Unlocking Happiness, a simple guide to positive psychology. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of positive psychology. Ever wondered what exactly positive psychology is all about? Well, stick around because we're about to break it down for you in simple terms. What is positive psychology? Positive psychology, simply put, is all about the good stuff in life. Happiness, well-being, satisfaction, and thriving in our day-to-day lives. It's like the science of what makes life awesome. Think about it. We all want to live a life filled with purpose and meaning, right? Well, positive psychology is all about studying how to make that happen. But it's not just about feeling happy, it's also about developing traits like resilience, self-esteem, and kindness, and using them to improve our lives and relationships. What are the 3 levels of positive psychology? Now let's talk about the 3 levels of positive psychology. It's not just about feeling good individually, it's about how we connect with others in our communities. 1. Subjective level. This level is all about how we feel on a personal level. It's about experiencing happiness, optimism, and well-being in our day-to-day lives. So think about those moments when you're feeling really good. That's the subjective level of positive psychology in action. 2. Individual level. Moving on to the individual level, this is where we combine those personal feelings of well-being with the qualities that make us who we are. We're talking about traits like forgiveness, love, and courage, the things that make us awesome human beings. 3. Group level. Group level is all about how we interact with our communities and the people around us. It's about being altruistic, taking social responsibility, and building strong social bonds. Because let's face it, life is so much better when we're all in it together. Why positive psychology is important. Positive psychology is all about focusing on what makes life awesome, rather than dwelling on the negative stuff. It's about discovering and nurturing our strengths, instead of obsessing over our weaknesses. And let me tell you, it's a game changer when it comes to living our best lives. You see, positivity isn't just a fluffy concept. It's a powerful force that can totally transform our quality of life. Sure, we all have our fair share of ups and downs, but positive psychology teaches us to shift our focus from the negative to the positive. Instead of getting bogged down by the bad stuff, we learn to harness the power of good things to overcome life's challenges. Traditionally, psychology has been all about diagnosing and treating mental health issues. But positive psychology flips the script by focusing on what makes us thrive. It's not about ignoring our flaws, but rather giving equal attention to our strengths and virtues. And here's why that's so important. By understanding what makes people live more meaningful lives, we can develop better strategies for managing mental illness, correcting negative behaviors, and boosting our overall happiness and productivity. It's a win-win. Positive psychology and the PERMA model. Now let's talk about the PERMA model. Developed by Martin Seligman, this model breaks down the key elements of well-being. Think of it as your roadmap to living your best life. P. Positive emotions. This is all about fostering feelings of gratitude, joy, and optimism. By focusing on the good stuff, we can supercharge our well-being and create a more positive outlook on life. E. Engagement. Ever heard of the concept of flow? It's that feeling you get when you're totally absorbed in an activity you love. By finding activities that challenge and excite us, we can tap into this state of flow and boost our overall happiness. R. Relationships. We're social creatures by nature, and our connections with others play a huge role in our well-being. Whether it's friends, family, or colleagues, building strong relationships can give our lives purpose and meaning. M. Meaning. Finding meaning in our lives is essential for long-term happiness. Whether it's through work, hobbies, or volunteering, applying our strengths to something bigger than ourselves can bring a sense of fulfillment like nothing else. A. Accomplishment. Finally, we have accomplishment. Achieving our goals and seeing our hard work pay off is a major confidence booster. Whether it's landing that dream job or mastering a new skill, accomplishing our goals is key to living a truly fulfilling life. Experiencing the personal benefits of positive psychology. So how can you start reaping the benefits of positive psychology in your own life? Well, it's all about making small changes that add up to big results. Start by focusing on the positive aspects of your life, whether it's spending more time doing things you love, building stronger relationships, or finding meaning in your everyday activities. By making positivity a priority, you can create the conditions for a happier, more fulfilled life. And remember, it's not just about feeling good in the moment. It's about laying the foundation for long-term happiness and well-being. So why not give positive psychology a try and see how it can transform your life? Trust me, you won't regret it. What is an example of positive psychology? You know, positive psychology isn't just about fluffy theories. It's about practical strategies you can use to live a happier, more fulfilling life. Take it from Martin Seligman, one of the pioneers of positive psychology. He suggests that authentic happiness comes from doing more of the things that bring you joy. So let's break it down. If you want to boost your happiness levels, start by focusing on the things that make you happy in your day-to-day life. Whether it's going for a walk in nature, spending time with loved ones, or indulging in your favorite hobby, make time for those activities that light you up inside. But it's not just about personal happiness. Positive psychology also emphasizes the importance of building strong relationships. So, take a moment to nurture those connections with your friends and family. Whether it's grabbing coffee with a friend or scheduling a date night with your partner, investing in your relationships can have a huge impact on your overall well-being. And if you're feeling a bit stuck in your work or relationships, don't worry. Positive psychology has got your back. Seligman suggests turning to personal hobbies or volunteering to find meaning and purpose in your life. By giving back to others and making a difference in the world, you can tap into a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond your own happiness. How is positive psychology applied? Now let's talk about how positive psychology is actually applied in real life. Sure, it's easy to dismiss it as just another self-help trend, but the truth is, positive psychology techniques are backed by science and have been proven to be effective in therapy. Take well-being therapy, for example. Developed by psychologist Giovanni Fava, this approach focuses on the patient's self-observed well-being rather than just their self-reported distress. By shifting the focus from negative events to more positive ones, well-being therapy helps patients build resilience and find meaning in their lives. But here's the thing. Positive psychology isn't just about ignoring your weaknesses and pretending everything is sunshine and rainbows. It's about finding a balance between focusing on your strengths and working on areas for improvement. Because let's face it, life is all about balance. So, whether you're struggling with anxiety, depression, or just feeling a bit stuck in life, positive psychology can offer practical strategies to help you live your best life. And hey, if you're interested in diving deeper into positive psychology and getting personalized support, why not consider working with a licensed online therapist? And there you have it, folks. Our deep dive into the enriching world of positive psychology has come to an end. Before we say goodbye, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this adventure. Your curiosity, your willingness to grow, and your commitment to improving your well-being truly inspire us. If today's video sparked any insights, ideas, or breakthroughs for you, we'd love to hear about it. Drop us a comment below to share your thoughts. And if you found value in today's content, consider showing your support by hitting that like button. It helps more than you know and encourages us to keep producing content that can make a difference in your life. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future explorations. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Continue to seek out the positive, cherish the moments of joy, and spread kindness wherever you go. Goodbye for now.